Working on the SS. Showing you how to replace these speakers with the same factory speakers. Got my replacement right here. You know what I'm saying? This one cracked and rattling, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's pretty easy. There's a bunch of videos how to take this panel off. This is a T30. This is a T30. And then this right here, this is a well, for mine's is a T15, which went right here in this little hole. Yours might be a 7 mil or 8 mil. And then once you get it off, smooth this out the way, flip it. You know what I'm saying? And then just take your 7 mil. That was right there. Go ahead. Get you a little pry bar. Go in right there. And then after that, pops like so. That's all she wrote. Gonna take you a little flathead and get it in. Either in right there, or you can snap it from you can snap it in from the bottom, push it in from the bottom, or you can push it in right there. So, like I said, when this is at the bottom, you come in with a pick and just hold it down right there from the bottom to pinch in, so that way it releases it. Last but not least, you can either snap that off, or if you want that back in the hole, you can shimmy it out and be careful. Do what you want to do, like so. Like I said, this is just to replace the factory with another factory. The Bose system is enough bang for me, so do what you want. And just reverse the steps. You know what I'm saying? Just plug that in. Put that back in the hole. I recommend, if you can, you know what I'm saying, try to make it look factory again. So that way you can go up in there, make it look factory, so that way it's easy. You just, you know what I'm saying, take your screw, put that up in there, and make sure she works.
From the Wilhite Law Firm Injury Lawyer Studios, go to wilhitewins.com.
That's wilhitewins.com.
Comment if you have any questions. Put everything back together. Pretty easy. All right.